What happened was your dad came up to play hockey with the young people, and he brought you, and she was asked to babysit you. So she did that, and she carried you on the back, and you fell asleep, and you had a
Thank you for taking such great care of me.
Yeah. And I didn't finish. She was told that you would grow up and be a great man, and that she would be your grandmother. Yeah, and that she is going to move forward with laughter and price.